former president now testifying in his own defense in E. Jean Carroll's civil defamation case against him. A judge is set to determine whether Trump will have to pay the former Elle magazine columnist for making defamatory statements back in 2019. A jury already found Trump liable for sexual assault back in 2022, which Carroll says happened in a department store dressing room in the 90s. Executive editorial producer John Santucci joins me now with more. So Trump was only on the stand for a few moments. What did he say? What happened?
I mean, my workout was longer this morning, Kira. It was about 3 minutes of Donald Trump on the stand. And really, it's because of the restrictions this judge had put on Donald Trump. Even before Donald Trump took the stand, the Judge Kaplan actually questioned Alina Habba, Donald Trump's lead attorney on this case, and said, what is he going to say? Is he going to stick to the confines? Habba saying he would, and sure enough, that's exactly what happened, Kira. Only a few minutes, Donald Trump saying that he in no way, so he says, ever targeted E. Jean Carroll. He was only trying to defend himself and his family, and pretty much that was it. It's remarkable for all of the fire Donald Trump has thrown at this court, at the plaintiff's attorneys, and E. Jean Carroll for the last several years. I mean, think about it, Kira. This has gone on for some time, and to think that Donald Trump, who we know enjoys every opportunity to tell his side of the story, he stuck to the confines because he saw he did not want to get thrown out of court. You know, I think, though, if you're talking to Donald Trump's camp for the last several days, he wanted his moment for sure, but he understood the confines of this. That, look, this judge threw out one of his campaign spokespeople earlier for being on their phone, clearly not messing around. And I think that Donald Trump's attitude was, look, I've got my moment, let me just get in, get out. Because at the end of the day, Kira, the goal of this was simple, right? Donald Trump wanted the image, as you're playing right now on screen, of him heading to court, not being on the campaign trail. And that's what we got out of it.
All right, John, thanks.